I had a dream that doesn't let me sleep. It took me to the eastern Himalaya, to the Singular range, where the clouds touch the horizon and the winds carry the ancient whispers. There on the Indo-Nepal border stood Bengal's highest peak, not a famous mountain, but one that feels hidden and waiting. And when you finally reach the summit, the world opens before you, a majestic view. I remember that every challenge, every hardship was worth it. And this is the story of the journey was never meant to be easy. Each step tests your strength, each breath reminds you of the climb. But remember this, to witness the beauty of Himalayas, you must first embrace the struggle because it's in the hardest moments that your spirit grows stronger. It's in the pain that the rewards is born. Year 2021, I was introduced to the world of mountains and climbing. I watched stories and documentaries about Everest and Annapurna, and this sparked my interest in mountaineering. But the real reason my passion for trekking grew was because of these two people. They are the ones who inspired me and made me believe this journey was possible. That's where it's all begun. I met Shorab and Shantanu in my college. Back then, I was an introvert, someone who had never even seen the mountains. But during a semester break, everything changed. We decided to go North Bengal. That trip became my first encounter with the mountains.
So, here at
In 2025, that dream came true. I stood at the summit of Sandakphu, not with the crowd, but with my closest companion, Shubhodip. Shubhodip is my college junior, a little crazy. I mean, who is walking around with a 20 kg backpack and somehow still smiling. He's got a mix of talents. He never says no, not to me and not to any girls. And that's why he is more than just a junior, and now he is my summit buddy. Our trek started from Manivanjan. The first 2 kilometers was very steep, and we had to pass through a pine forest. But the tiredness quickly faded when we saw those mysterious trees all around us. After walking for a few hours, we finally reached an open valley covered in fog. It felt like stepping into a fantasy world. Our guide Rambhaya was a great person, polite, friendly, and always ready to explain every small details about the trail. He made the journey feel easy and enjoyable.
देखता हूँ कितना टाइम में पहुँच पाऊँ। मैं तो 3 आवर्स to 4 आवर्स बोला था। हाँ। तो कभी 11-15 है, थोड़ा लेडी है। देखता हूँ कितना बजे पहुँच रहा हूँ। तो हम लोग का सफ़र ठीक ही है अभी तक। बट क्या है अभी तक थोड़ा क्लाउडी है। हाँ। थोड़ा मौसम खुला नहीं है, 6-7 दिन हो गया ऐसा। तो मैं 6 तारीख को गया था तो थोड़ा मौसम अच्छा था, क्लियर था, सब कुछ व्यू वगैरह मिल रहा था, चांसेस था बहुत सारा। अभी आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग को हम लोग देखेंगे। तो बाय, सी यू अगेन टुमारो।
कैंपिंग कुछ
खाना खा लिया?
हाँ
अभी खाएंगे।
কুচু হাই যাক যা মজা আসছে এখন মজা আসছে কি বলে ডিস্ট্র্যাক্ট হতে হবে আমাদেরকে still the trekking is going on.
Day 2 was incredible. I mean, I don't have words to explain. The valley we entered felt completely different, as we had a step into another dimension. There's no sign of life around, no villages, no people. Even the sound of our own breath felt like a mysterious whisper in the silence. We move closer to the summit. The sky is cleaning and the nature opens her arms, showing her quiet beauty. The wind carries the whisper from the mountains. Our heart races not from the climb alone, but from the wonder unfolded around us. The horizon grows wider and every step feels like a step into the sky. At last, we stand at the top, surrounded by silence and sky. For a moment, time stands still and we are weightless, free part of something far greater than ourselves. Here at the summit, the journey ends.
Some kind of light into your darkness.
Every journey has an end, but I don't believe this is mine. This felt like a new beginning. As an introvert boy who had never seen the mountains before, I found myself attempt one of the hardest trek of my life. Along the way, I learned something simple and powerful. If you respect nature, if you truly admire her
Takai
beauty,
dige.
if you bow your head in humility, Mother Nature will hear your call. For me, the trek is not just an adventure, it is a form of worship, the way people place their faith in God. I place mine in this mountain.
I think it's strange